Hey guys, it's Adrian right here. This video will be based on how to put a video on your funnel, guys. And I use my tools, guys. I always say this is the greatest marketing system alive today because it's so easy to use, guys. So let's get it started. All right, first thing you want to do is click on landing. Go slow because I'm recording this video, guys. All right, guys, these the templates you can use right here. So keep on going down. Let's see what template I want to use to show you guys how easy this is. Let me see. All right, we'll use this template right here, you guys, to do this. All right. First thing you see is the title. Name it. The title. No space, guys. No space. Okay, you want to redirect it since this is a demonstration purpose only. Okay, you can put it's gonna be non-direct only because it's like the funnel, guys. Right? It always goes slow. So of course I'm gonna edit this video a lot, guys. All right, and then you can provide a background, or you can pick a background from the Conversion Pros list of backgrounds they have. A great background, guys. This is pick city for now to show you, one of the backgrounds that they provide. You want to pick this city right here, and you just want to confirm it right here, guys. Right now, how to place a video. I'm gonna show you real quick. You want to edit, design, and then your video will pop right here. Let's pick a video from YouTube. Of course, I'll pick my video. And what you want to do, guys, you just want to copy all the way into the equal sign right there. Just right click your mouse and push copy right there, guys. Then go back to your video, and then you just want to right click and paste. That's it, guys. If you can copy and paste, you can do it. You want to go down and paste right there, and the video should pop up. Now just take this off right here and place what you want to place right here, guys. Click on design. Then what you want to do is you want to erase all, and you can all right, click back on design. All right, here we go. Now you can write something. Let's say then what you want to do, guys, is you want to click this again and click on text. And you just want to double click. What happens, guys, is a box like this will come. Edit color, for example. Then you can pick the color you want the text to look like. So let's say I want a white, right? Let's say I want it to have red in it, for example, under the text shadow, right there. Choose. But then you want to play with the offset right here, guys. See, I wanted that too. And you see how it's white and red right here, guys. Okay. Then you go down here, and you want to erase this, and okay. And then you just leave right here. Take the free tour, but you can do the same thing right here if you want to play something. Look, guys. How to get leads to your autoresponder. You can place the video that I showed you how to do, and then when they take the free tour, it'll go to the site where you want them to go here, and this is where you redirect them right here, guys. I just put something crazy, but this is how you make a video capture funnel, guys. You can make your first page with the email and all that stuff. Then the second page, you can provide a video just like this, guys. That's how easy it is. All right, guys, this is another teaching to how to start using a marketing system. And I believe it's the hottest marketing system because, all right, guys, talk to y'all soon.